Hi folks, had this refrigerator, it quit working on me, so instead of throwing it away I decided to recycle it and make it become a seed starting place for the springtime gardening. And a little bit of reworking of it. I removed the plastic door, and I'm gonna actually cover this with a tarp, some kind of rubberized tarp. I'll seal it all up, make it look pretty. Make it look really nice. And what I did, simple, I just took a 2 foot by 2 foot fluorescent light fixture and I had to carve out the side wall of plastic to make it fit on both sides. I wasn't using a measuring tape, I was uneven. That's where you can see here. If I'd have been even, I wouldn't have had to readjust it with these little nails here. But it's going to work just fine. I kept the trays, the shelving trays, the shelves I mean, not the trays, this is the tray, these are the shelves, so I can keep the elevation wherever I want to. For light intensity or whatever. And believe it or not, there'll be enough light emission coming that each shelf will work okay. And the real beauty of this is well, the environment I'm in, it's pretty cold in the springtime. So this unit, and that light, produces its own heat. So I'm not finished with it yet. I'm going to put some regulators in it. When it builds up with too much heat, then I'll have it exhaust itself. And unplug this light. I'll have it exhaust itself so it doesn't build up with too much heat. And there's the freezer portion. I did the same thing to the freezer door. Remove the little compartments you used to have in here. Just remove that whole piece, give more room inside. I'm actually going to put another light inside of here, but a smaller light, and have a second compartment for starting seedlings and stuff like that. You know, your garden plants, your tomato plants and your broccoli plants and whatever other plants a person may grow. Everyone will be different growing their things they like. So an old broken refrigerator to a seed sprouting facility. It's going to work good. It's going to work good, folks. You can always recycle something. No need just to throw it away. It can always be thrown away. Thank you for watching, folks. Subscribe if you would.